Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress for beginners. First, let's understand what WordPress is, a powerful, open-source content management system. You'll need to choose a reliable hosting provider and a unique domain name for your website. Many hosts offer a convenient one-click installation, making the setup process incredibly simple. This initial step lays the foundation for your online presence, getting you ready to build. Once WordPress is installed, you'll navigate to your admin dashboard, the central hub for managing your site. Here, you can easily create and edit posts for your blog, design static pages like an About Us section, and upload various media files such as images and videos. Understanding these core sections is crucial for effective site management, giving you full control over your content. Customizing your site's appearance is exciting. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes to instantly change your design. You can easily browse and install a theme directly from your dashboard, then fine-tune its look using the customizer. Furthermore, plugins extend your site's functionality, adding features like contact forms or SEO tools. There are over 60,000 plugins available, offering immense flexibility. Now, let's create your first piece of content. Whether it's a blog post or a new page, the intuitive editor makes writing and formatting straightforward. You can easily embed images, videos, and other media to enrich your content. Once you're happy with your creation, simply hit the Publish button. Your site will then be live and accessible to visitors worldwide, marking a significant milestone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.